Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your home's curb appeal with Lowe's easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enhance your home's curb appeal, start by assessing the current state of your yard and exterior. Begin with a thorough cleaning of your front porch and walkway. Sweep away debris, leaves, and dirt to create a welcoming environment. Next, examine your landscaping. Trim overgrown bushes and trees to provide a well-maintained appearance. Pull weeds from flower beds and consider adding fresh mulch for a polished look. If your lawn appears patchy, overseed or lay new sod to achieve a vibrant green space. Moving to your house's exterior, inspect the paint or siding for any signs of wear. If needed, power wash the surfaces to remove dirt and grime. Consider freshening up your front door with a new coat of paint in an inviting color. Next, update your house numbers to stylish, modern options to increase visibility. Enhance your lighting fixtures by upgrading to energy-efficient, decorative options. Add planters with seasonal flowers on either side of your front door for a pop of color. Replace or repaint any worn-out furniture on your porch, choosing colors that complement your home. Finally, finish with personal touches like a doormat or outdoor rug to create a warm atmosphere. With these simple steps, your home's curb appeal will be revitalized, making it inviting for guests and passers-by alike. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.